go. First race. Over 65 cars. Crank it all the way up and see where this is gonna go. Oh man, we've got 3 or 4 cars in the front here. Whoa, the number 51 Maroon Hot Rod is really trying to hang on there. But wait, number 8 is still trying to hang in there. Is this gonna be the deal? I think it's pretty safe to say that the silver 8 car is gonna take the victory here. This is pretty amazing, folks. Whoa, but it looks like orange is coming up from the back of the field, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. The number 51, 52 or 82, I can't even tell what number that is. But number 8 is trying to hang in there as best as possible. Wow. I think that's going to do it. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and comment. 21. Oh man! Oh wait, don't come back. Alright, here we go. We've got 24 cars. And let's see, we've got some movement. Oh, couple cars going backwards. Oh, starting to speed up a little bit. Let's see. Oh, everybody's stuck. Oh, there we go. Now we got the movement going. Whoa! Wow, we got the 3 leaders in the front. We got the 4. 7 leaders for the winner. Alright, here we go. 24 car heat. 1070 defend its title. Let's see. Alright, we're losing a few. Oh! Oh, 33 is wobbling. Crank it up. Oh, that's 2 things in the back there. Oh no, a whole bunch is coming back. Let's see who's gonna take it. Crank it up more. Who's gonna survive? Down to 11 and 44. Oh, 11's wobbling. Oh. 24 car heat. Here we go. Oh, losing a bunch already. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Alright, here we go, cranking it up. Oh, got a
couple coming up in the back. Never mind. A little bit of wobbling going on. Crank it up even more. Let's go. Alright, 36 car race. Let's see. Oh. A lot of people are already out. Okay. Whoa. Pile up going on back there. Oh, some are coming up from the back. Oh, got a wipe out over there. What is that, 17? Oh, 97 is holding their spot up there. Here comes 13 from the back. Gotta crank it up. Okay. Okay, 47 holding their own over here. See what happens when we crank it up a little more. That's speed. Alright, we got our top 5. 24 car heat. Here we go. Oh, losing a bunch already. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Alright, here we go, cranking it up. Got a couple coming up in the back. Never mind. A little bit of wobbling going on. Crank it up even more. Let's go. 24 car heat. Here we go. Oh, losing a bunch already. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Alright, here we go, cranking it up. Oh, got a couple coming up from the back. Never mind. A little bit of wobbling going on. Crank it up even more. Here we go. 36 car heat. Who will come out on top? Cranking up the speed here. Oh, got some guys going sideways there. Let's see, cranking it up. Got some movement in the front. 96 is going backwards. 48 trying to get in there, but they're squeezing them out. Oh, there goes the whole group. Let's see, got a few more hanging in. Oh, bunch coming up from behind. See if we go a little bit faster now. Oh, that's some crazy movement going on. Whoa, 11 keeps trying to get its place in the front there. 13 and 33 coming up from behind. Oh, taking people out. See if we go a little bit faster now. Alright. Oh, number